Hi, Gail from MyRepurposed Life.com, also known as the Junkie Chalker. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do a transfer with Chalk Couture Chalkology chalk paste. So this is a brand new transfer. First time I've ever used it. Comes off the backing very easily, but it's very sticky. So before I use it, I want to fuzz it on a terry cloth towel just to get some of the sticky off so it'll work better on my surface, which today is the Chalk Couture chalkboard. So try not to do it from the diagonal, but do it straight. Oh my, it's really sticking to my towel. So this is only the second project I've done. My towel must be too fuzzy. We'll see. Now this is not a stencil. It's hard for you to see, but there are actually little screens in there. It's a screen print. Just like you do when you do a t-shirt. So this is the chalkboard I'm going to use. It comes from Chalk Couture. Now, remember, this is just the second project I've done. So be patient with me as I try to line this up. I love this sentiment. Today is a good day for a good day. If you know me at all, then you know that this represents me very well. So I'm just tracing down the screen a little bit just to make sure I have good adhesion. Okay, so far so good. I'm using the white Chalkology chalk paste. Looks yummy, doesn't it? Okay, I have cut my squeegee into a smaller piece, and so I'm going to use that. I'm going to dab some on here. Let's see how well this goes. Today is a good day. Today is a good day for a good day. Is that what it says? I've already forgotten. Let's see here. So remember, this is just my second project. The first one took me 2 tries. It was part 1 and part 2. But it was a small transfer. This squeegee is a little different. I expected it to be more firm. If you've ever used a vinyl squeegee, they're pretty firm, and I expected that to be this way or this to be that way, but it's really not. It's very flimsy and rubbery. So I think it's going to take me some getting used to. I probably should switch to the larger one. Let's do that. This is the other part that I cut off. So you just put it on there basically and scrape it off. I think it's best to go north and south and east and west, and then you can just scrape it back into your jar. Oh, Gail, you have the TV on in the other room. Y'all, I'm so bad at video. I'm hoping that the more I do, the better I'll get. So maybe I'll put a little music over this and then do a voiceover. Or maybe not. We'll see. I tend to overdo, but you know what's best is if you watch videos, okay, then you try to do a project, then you go back and watch the tutorial videos again, and I find that once I do it and then I watch it, I'm like, oh yeah, that's what I did wrong. So it's pretty sticky. Maybe I didn't fuzz it enough. They will stretch. That's why you should never do them on the diagonal. I'm wondering if I should do it this way. Y'all bear with me here as I work my way through learning this process. Okay. Everybody makes it look so easy when they do it. I'm telling you. They always turn out perfect. And they just seem to just come right off. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Yep, I'll have to go back and watch those other videos again. Oh my. This is tough. I hope I'm not ruining my transfer because I love this transfer. Bear with me. You know me, if you know Gail from My Repurposed Life, she keeps it real. She doesn't fake it. She lets you know what's good is good. And then I take this screen and I put it in the bath and I wash it. So there you have it. There is my second project. Now this is semi-permanent. It can be wiped off, or if you want to do a transfer that you want to keep, then you can spray some poly over it. But it's semi-permanent.